Mai te whenua ki te moana, e whakarākei ana Te Nukutai o Tapoa.
We got almost unanimous vote to support the new hub facility or club rooms.
Engari, me whai āwhina rātau ki te utu I te tekau miriana tāra, mō ngā rūma karapu anake.
We've got waka armour, we've got surf lifesaving, we've got yachties, we've got windsurfers, we've also got paddle boarders, we've got jet skiers, we've also got the rugby club and the netball club, and we've been trying to bring them all together to build a new club rooms down there so that we don't all go build 10 of them individually because we can't all afford it.
Kua tīmata ke te whanaketanga I runga I te whenua pērā ki ngā papawhutu pōro hou, ngā whare kaitia ki Takutai me te wharau. E ai ki te māngai o ngā tīwheke a Craig Pauling, I whakaetia e rātou te tono mo te whare waka.
We've had a number of built in the last 5 years too, but as you can see, not much space to store them. We realised that, hey, the whole harbour here of Whakaropo is our rohi, so why not use another site around the harbour to have our waka base there?
We have massed up storage because it takes an hour for those to be rigged. And if someone's coming from, Hornby, they don't have the time to drive 45 minutes, spend an hour, fight the twilight, then come back on shore and then de-rig, and then potentially take it home.
20 years ago, would have we been building a whare waka? Probably not.
Mā te awhina o tēnei mema hapū, tēnei ringatoi a Kane Tauwhare, ka taea e rātou te haumai I ngā kōrero ahurea o te whenua nei.
So this is quite a contentious place. So the idea with this pattern was about opposing forces working together to try and create some sort of harmony or some sort of balance. So we come up with two sorts of themes, which is this pattern we got on the ground, created in the seats and the planter boxes there. We've named it Pōnahi, and it's in reference to whirlwinds and whirlpools.
Nā e harikoa ana e nei me mahapū I te kite ngā tū o te manaakitanga ka whakatō ki tēnei whenua.
Every day I sort of kick myself and think, wow, get this opportunity to create these things that will be here forever and to represent us in our whānau.
You can see it hasn't had a bit of development for a long time, and it's just going to be really nice to have a place that looks a bit more loved and cared for. So really appreciative of the council and all the other groups coming on board to help us, and it's going to be an amazing facility.
E whakamahere ana Pauling I ngā kōwhiringa kia whai pūtea tautoko mo tēnei karapu hou, a ka tīmata te mahi nei. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.